Please don't forget to like the video because that is the major motivational factor for me in order to keep making the awesome content. So let us move on to this question. This question is basically taken here in order to teach you that how the reactions occur with NaOH. Okay. So first of all, whenever a compound has been given to you, you need to see that whether that is amphoteric or that is acidic in nature. So you can see that we have the presence of chromium, chlorine here. So basically this is an acidic compound which is given to us. Now we need to generate the acid from the acidic oxide so that it can react with the base which is present. So how that can be done? Let us see. We have been given CrO2Cl2. We add water in it. Now you would be guessing that how water can be added. See, NaOH is hygroscopic in nature, so that tends to attract the water from the surroundings. Even if the water isn't mentioned in the initial reaction, it would finally get cancelled out from the either sides if it wasn't present. Okay, so don't worry about that. We have added water. So what I do is that the oxidation state of chromium here is X minus 4 minus 2 is equal to 0, so X is equal to 6. So chromium has a plus 6 oxidation state here. So the final oxidation state should also be plus 6. So CrO2 plus O, which is present here, would give me CrO3 with a plus 6 oxidation state, and here we would have the generation of 2HCl. That should have come to your mind first only, that we have H2, we have Cl2, so that should have formed HCl, and the oxidation state of chromium, which is plus 6, should remain the same, that is CrO3 is present. Now CrO3 is once again an acidic oxide, so once again it reacts with H2O to give me the acid which is formed, that is H2CrO4, that is the chromic acid which is formed. Okay, so this H2CrO4 is formed from this reaction. Now we have generated the acids which are actually required in the question in order to react with the base. So now we have the base, which is NaOH is given to you in the question. NaOH is the base. So we have HCl plus NaOH, acid plus base would give me salt, which is NaCl plus water. So NaCl plus H2O will be formed. We have H2CrO4. So H2CrO4 plus NaOH. Okay, now try to see. First of all, we have to balance this equation. Why? Because we have 2 HCl here. So 2 HCl should be, we have to multiply this equation by a factor of 2 so that 2 HCl comes into consideration. Now we have H2CrO4, we have NaOH. Now try to see. Here we have 2 hydrogens which can be removed. Why? Because let us try to see the structure here. We have Cr double bond O, OH, OH. Okay, so this is H2CrO4. Here this hydrogen can be removed. This hydrogen can be removed in order to give me the final answer with NaOH as O minus Na plus, that is Na2CrO4 will be formed in this particular manner. So we have to take 2 moles of NaOH here because we need to replace 2 hydrogen. So 2 moles of NaOH is taken. Very simple. So we get Na2CrO4 and plus we will get OH and H2 to give me H2O, that is 2 moles of H2O will be formed here. Okay, so I hope that this point is also clear to you. We have done the reaction which is present with all the quantities which were given to us. So 2 HCl from here gets cancelled out, CrO3 gets cancelled out, H2CrO4 gets cancelled out. Let us see for water. We have 2 water on the left hand side and we have 2 plus 2 water on the right hand side. So I am cancelling these 2 water with this 2 water which is present. Okay, so what we can get from here? We get the final reaction as CrO2Cl2 from here plus how many NaOH? 2 plus 2, that is 4 NaOH, which gives me the answer as 2 NaCl plus Na2CrO4 plus 2H2O. So one basic tip which I want to give you for the reactions with NaOH, whenever NaOH has been mentioned to you, kindly take the reaction with H2O first because that makes the question easier. And if H2O isn't given in the initial reaction, that would definitely be cancelled out from the left hand side. Okay. So this was the video regarding the P block group 14. If there are any doubts, kindly ask me in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. You can check out the notes from the link in the description. So thank you and all the best.